Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make candy blossoms very big. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of water, and 1/4 cup of light corn syrup. Also, prepare your workspace with parchment paper and a heat-resistant mat. Having candy molds or a silicone mat ready will help with shaping. Don't forget food coloring and flavorings to personalize your beautiful, large candy creations. Achieving a large, stable candy blossom starts with the perfect sugar syrup. Combine your 2 cups of sugar, 1/2 cup of water, and 1/4 cup of corn syrup in a heavy-bottomed pot. Heat this mixture slowly over medium heat, stirring gently until all the sugar crystals dissolve. Once dissolved, stop stirring. Continue cooking until your candy thermometer reads approximately 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage, crucial for firm blossoms. Now for the fun part, shaping and coloring your big candy blossoms. Once your syrup reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, carefully pour it onto a silicone mat or into your chosen molds. This is the moment to add a few drops of your desired food coloring and flavorings. Work quickly, as the candy cools fast. Use a heat-resistant spatula or gloved hands to shape the warm candy into large, impressive petals or other intricate designs. Let them cool for at least 30 minutes. Finally, let's assemble your magnificent, large candy blossoms. Once completely cooled and hardened, gently remove each candy piece from its mold or mat. To join the individual petals or components, you can use a tiny dab of freshly melted candy or a bit of royal icing. Carefully arrange these pieces to create a stunning, multi-layered blossom. For best results, store your beautiful, big candy creations in an airtight container at room temperature, away from humidity, for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.